y'all see, I'm sitting on a car. If y'all have not been keeping up with my Facebook page and my Instagram page, some of y'all know about this car, some of y'all do not. But before I tell you what it is, let's go back 6 years ago. This is my papa's 1989 Fox Body Ford Mustang. This is one of my favorite cars out of his whole collection. This car will always hold a special place in my heart, and this car is the reason why I love Fox Bodies. I grew up around this car and him racing it most of the time. So this is kind of where I learned a good majority about my cars. So this is the main reason why I ended up buying my 93 Mustang. Now we went back in time a little bit. Let's fast forward 6 years, where we're at now. So, my papa's car has inspired me a little bit to get what this is. And that's where I fell in love with it, these kind of cars. So, welcome to the fleet. This is my 1993 Fox Body Mustang. It has a 4-cylinder inline 4 with a 5-speed manual transmission. And if you have not already, go and click the subscribe button and press that bell so you get notified of every video that I upload. Because next week, I'm picking up something for this car. I don't want to get too into detail about it, but it's going to make it go a little bit more faster. So, I guess. So the car was running and driving when we bought it. It has a little bit of problem starting up. I think it's the neutral safety switch. David, my stepdad, he thinks it's a little bit more, but who knows? So what I'm getting next week came out of a car just like this. So with the handy dandy keys, and it does have a sunroof on it. And yes, go ahead and subscribe. I've already put 4. So but yeah, I mean, battery works. Just yeah, nothing. Keep it in first gear. So, but yeah, this is my 1993 Fox Body Mustang. You're gonna be seeing a lot of videos of this car on the channel coming up, like me fixing what is wrong with it, like why doesn't it not start and all that. When we do the air swap with the 5-lug, put the 5-lug on it. I already have a set of tires for it. Cobra rims that came off of the Falcon that Papa has. And I'm getting a few parts off of the black car for this car too. But yeah, it's a 5-speed manual. So, and for some of y'all who do not know, this is actually my dream car. So, but I'm not getting it because I wanted it to be a drag car. I got it because I love this body style. This and the first generation Mustangs is what I love. And people are going to tell me to put an LS swap in it. I'm not. It's going to say all Ford. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's basically everything on the Mustang. So, like I told you already, go and press that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and click that bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And definitely keep an eye out for next week for the video. So, if y'all put your opinions down in the comment below, what do you think it is what I'm getting next week for the car? So, hope everyone has a good day. Stay safe. And see y'all next time. Make sure that you subscribe and click that bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also have shirts and decals for sale too. Make sure that you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Koen-N-Kars, and thank you to our sponsors.